DirectorSungrow. Okay? Okay.
Yeah. Again.
And this Sungrow Power Day event is this year, in Pakistan, our biggest event. And what we are showing is that who is Sungrow and we are doing the reference in Pakistan. Till now in Pakistan we have more than 815 megawatt installation. So market share is in the leader. So what our purpose is doing the clean power for all. And this also in Pakistan we are in the one belt, one road. So and Sungrow is using this policy and in the global. So we are the leading global conversion, the technology manufacturer, and also we want to our Pakistani people is together to using the clean energy.
Right. Would you tell us about the investment in Pakistan in solar energy from the Sungrow?
Sorry?
Investment from the Sungrow in solar energy in Pakistan.
Yeah, and for the investment, so we can prove and in this industry, and we also using our distributors and provide the big plant like cement plant, like textile plant, and the steel plant, and it all make and more employees and the job positions in here in locals.
Right. Do you assess the potential of solar energy in Pakistan?
Exactly. So in the future, the solar energy and also the storage energy is a big potential in Pakistan. Now, as our policy now is net metering now, and as the energy increases, we can see the unit price of the electric now is higher. But using clean energy, this cost is be lower. It will be benefit all of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you facing any challenges or problem in Pakistan to promote the solar energy and business?
Yes. So in here, and the people here is not like other countries, and we are Pakistani can accept the high technology very easily. So if the one have the high technology and everyone is very curious and interested on it, and it is for us is the big challenge is we need to keep our pioneer, keep our in the top, keep our in the first technology on it to suitable this market. Yeah.
Are you hopeful Pakistan, as per policy and renewable energy of Pakistan, government has fixed the target by 2030?
Yeah, exactly.
Renewable energy will be 60% in our energy plan. Do you know about this policy?
Yes.
What your comment, please?
Yeah, yes. And our policy is at 2020 and 30-30 policy, right? So according to this policy, so we are doing hard, and also we expand the production capacity and give more and more focus on Pakistan market to support this policy. And maybe in the few 3 or 5 years, we can see and more utility project will be happened in this land.
Many Chinese companies and European companies and Pakistani companies are in solar energy in Pakistan. Do you facing any competition, hard competition, tough competition, or software?
The competition exists. So only this competition can make us to running, to no stop to running. So I think this competition is very good for us and also very good for both. Yeah.
It's positive competition.
Yeah, positive competition.
Healthy competition.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.